Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting by forcing the platform into true UEFI mode so Secure Boot can work for Vanguard. First, update your Asus BIOS and export a backup profile. This prevents surprises. Once done, reboot into BIOS, F2 or delete, and turn off CSM or compatibility support module. That switches the firmware to native UEFI. Make sure your Windows drive is GPT. If it's MBR, convert or you'll block Secure Boot. This is the essential first move before touching Secure Boot keys. Now enable Secure Boot with the correct keyset so Vanguard recognizes the OS integrity checks. Go to the Security or Boot tab and change Secure Boot to Enabled, set OS type to Windows UEFI, then load or restore the factory keys, choose Standard if Asus offers it. You must have Microsoft and Windows production keys active. Custom keys or missing keys will fail driver signing checks. Once keys are in place, save and reboot to let firmware. Apply the policy before Windows loads. Finish by saving BIOS changes and booting into Windows. Immediately reinstall Riot Vanguard as administrator so its kernel driver receives the new Secure Boot approval. Verify Windows security shows Secure Boot on. That confirms the firmware policy is active. If Valorant still fails to launch, convert your system disk to GPT with MBR2 GPT or run Asus BIOS option to reset secure keys to factory defaults. This often fixes signature mismatches. If problems continue, clear any custom keys and re-import the official Windows keys.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.